Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a polar silver metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. This one has 18-inch wheels. Black MB-text interior with aluminum trim. Panorama sunroof. GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate, a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, 60/40 fold-down seats, cargo cover, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, multimedia package with navigation, garage door openers, rear view backup camera, hard keys for the radio and media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders, turn wheel for the infotainment center. This GLA has 31,203 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2016 Mercedes-Benz GLA 250 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.